All right, so unfortunately, we have disembarked the Majesty of the Seas. Our cruise is over with. Our trip to Cuba is in the books. This will be old news by the time you see this video, I'm sure. But while we were on the cruise ship, we found out that, and this isn't political at all. I'm not going to get into the politics of the situation. The United States government has decided to impose greater restrictions on Americans' travel to Cuba, up to and including banning cruise ships and people-to-people exchanges as valid reasons for traveling to Cuba. So that's a bummer. Everything I thought about when we came back on the ship after being in Havana was that we had only just scratched the surface of what there was to learn about the Cuban people and the country of Cuba itself, the culture. It's a bummer. Hopefully we get the chance to go back. We were very blessed to be there at the time that we were there. So anyway, we have disembarked the cruise ship. We are now at our resort that we were staying at in Fort Lauderdale for the next couple of days. We are staying at the Grand Pelican Beach, or the Pelican Grand Beach. I don't know, there's pelicans involved, there's beaches involved, there's oceans involved. But right now we are going to go grab a scooter and see if we can make it up to, they have a water taxi here at Fort Lauderdale that'll bring you to all the different landmarks. It's kind of a hop-on, hop-off thing. This was about a 15-minute Uber ride from the cruise ship terminal to this resort. We're right on the beach. Now we're gonna grab our scooters and see if we can find something to do for the day while we wait for our room to be ready. We just had an awesome lunch. We took the water taxi down to Las Olas Blvd in Fort Lauderdale and had lunch here at Louie Bossi's. Incredible. This place is like a scratch Italian kitchen. Everything's either imported or homemade, made on the spot. Absolutely delicious. The tiramisu. Literally, if you have no other reason to come to Fort Lauderdale, just get on a plane, fly down here, or drive here, depending on where you are. Go there, buy your tiramisu. I promise you that will justify any amount of money you spend. We found out our room was ready, so I wanted to give you guys a quick peek into what the rooms look like here. This is an ocean view room here at the Pelican Beach Resort, and I want to show it to you because I just peeked in the door and it's pretty incredible. In order to get to this hotel, it's maybe a 10 or 15 minute ride, Uber ride, from the cruise terminal in either direction. So whether you were looking for somewhere to stay before your cruise or after your cruise and you're leaving out of the Fort Lauderdale cruise port, this would be a really good option. We are on the 4th floor. We just got off the elevators, and the elevators are outside. So that's the view when you're walking from the elevator. So let's go inside and check it out. We're in the main room, and it feels so open and clean, and the colors, it's just beautiful. So we have the bed here, then to the left side of the bed we have this chair sitting area, and then we do have this counter area with the big screen TV, a coat rack. Underneath here there is a coffee maker, like a pod coffee maker. They provide some coffee pods to you. It's really tempting when that stuff is just sitting right there. We'll see what happens. And every time I go to a hotel, I never can stand up in the shower. This is a pretty good view. So as you can see with the view out the window, there is obviously Fort Lauderdale Beach. There are some beach chairs and umbrellas that you can use for free as part of the cost of the hotel room that is included in the price. So you can go out there and use the private beach area without having to pay a third party for a beach chair or an umbrella, or having to lug your own or something crazy like that. They do have the area out there, which is really nice. And you can see that they also have a pool, which is a zero entry pool, and a lazy river, which is fantastic. I talked to the pool attendant downstairs. He said that both the lazy river and the pool are heated. The pool is open 24 hours a day. The lazy river is open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I will definitely be utilizing those amenities. This room also comes with your own private balcony, which is an ocean view balcony. And the balcony does have 2 chairs out there, a little coffee table so you can relax out there and maybe have breakfast and a coffee. Now, if you've been watching our vlogs, you know that not too long ago, we did go to New Smyrna Beach and we stayed at the Best Western New Smyrna Beach Resort. That had a pretty fantastic view as well. If you haven't watched that video, I'll go ahead and link it below. But I do have to say that this view has the New Smyrna Beach Best Western view beat by a mile. The hotel also has a restaurant and a bar on site. When you check in, they do give you a $10 credit per day to use at the restaurant or the bar, which is pretty cool. You know, 20 bucks for 2 days off of the food. There's also a nice little porch area when you walk into the lobby with rocking chairs that overlook the beach and the ocean, which is absolutely awesome. So that's what it's like here at the Pelican Grand Beach Resort. We are going to just go downstairs, I think, and relax on the rocking chairs and just enjoy our time here. So we decided to relax. So we did decide to relax on those rocking chairs, overlooking the ocean for a while. It was very relaxing. We took the scooters out again, and one of us fell. There was a lot of blood. Everybody's okay now. I wasn't the one that fell, but that did change our plans a little bit. We ended up going to a pharmacy to get some first aid kit, and then we ended up eating at a restaurant that charged us way too much for not so great food. So now we're back at the hotel, and I think we're just gonna relax for the evening, watch some TV, get some rest, and then tomorrow we are here all day long. So I think we're gonna try and enjoy the beach, maybe the pool downstairs. I'm not sure what we're gonna do, but we are gonna end it here for the night. We're super excited to be here at the Pelican Beach Resort after our cruise. And thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.